And when you look, the clan system in Somalia, it's the 4.5. So one of the challenges that women from big clans, one of the challenges they face is they don't have a chance. Because in the big clan, the men are there. There is nothing for women. Like Dr. Huddle, she is from one of the biggest clans in Somalia. So she will never make it. Because when they are giving, the Prime Minister and the President and them law, the big clan, they can't give a woman. The clan will say, no, you can't give us women. To the ethnic minorities, it is easy giving them their post to a woman. That's why I became a minister. Yes, because I'm from the ethnic minority. And my clan, they don't even own a pistol, let alone guns. They can't fight. So if their share is given to a woman, they can't fight, so it's okay. So the woman, so it is more challenge for the women from big class.
4.5.